So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can boost the FPS of any video game that you play on your Windows laptop, Windows computer, or any Windows device that you have. Now, in order to do it, just simply go to the task manager. You need to do this process before starting the game. Now here, before starting the game, just simply check out which of the process is consuming a lot of GPU for you. For example, if I go to the performance tab, I can notice my GPU is already consumed for about 50% before starting the game. Now I need to track down which is consuming it and just simply go to the process section. For example, the OBS is consuming a lot of CPU memory. Just simply right click over there and task it and do it with multiple processes that is consuming the RAM, the memory, the CPU, the GPU in the background, and that will definitely boost the FPS for you in the game. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.